halls where dreams take flight. We gather strength come morning light, with books of wisdom, hearts so bold, a story of courage yet untold. Knowledge fountains we do drink, in every mind new thoughts we think, with every step and every stand we shape the future hand in hand. For Muddassir Academy. Beneath the sky so wide and blue, we learn to lead with vision true. Each day a chance, each moment grand, journey built on dreams we've planned. No mountain